Welcome to Lesson 14 of New Testament Greek. We are making good progress, and hopefully you see what you have been learning all this time, and hopefully it's been sticking to your memory. Χαίρετε. Today, the lesson is going to have emphasis on grammar. Grammar and syntax as well. You might be familiar with the word grammar, but most people are not familiar with the word syntax unless you're into computers. But there is grammatical syntax or language syntax, which means the use of the words in a sentence. So let's move on. Two words. One, I'm pretty sure you have seen, o Theos, which means, right, God. The other one is o Ios. Ios means son. Okay. Now what you have in front of you is the 5 cases. Do you remember the nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and vocative cases? So nouns have cases. Adjectives also have cases. The same: nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, and vocative. What does it mean? It means two things. From a grammar point of view, it means that each case has a different ending, a unique ending. Okay? So keep this in mind. Every case has a unique ending. What does it mean from a syntax point of view? Again, remember, the word syntax is different from the word grammar. The meaning is different. So let's see what syntax means for the nominative case, for the genitive, and so forth and so on. In the nominative case is used as a subject in the sentence. Okay, let's use an example in English. John hit Nick. Okay, the subject is John. The object, or the direct object, as we say, is Nick. If we change the order of the words, that means a totally different thing. Nick hit John. What does that mean? That John is the victim now, right? So Nick is the subject, John is the victim, the object. Okay, so in English, we indicate what word is the subject by the position in the sentence. This is not the case in Greek. in Greek, using the nominative indicates that the word is a subject. Where that word is in the sentence does not matter, as long as you use the proper case and or the proper ending for this case. So, ο Θεός is the nominative. Okay? Now, the accusative case is used as the direct object. In this case, I highlighted that in red in the second, in the last column, ton ion. Ton ion. This is the direct object. Okay? What is oios? That is the nominative case. Okay? What case is ton theon? That's the accusative case. So keep this in mind, and I'm going to use some examples in the following slides that will nicely demonstrate this principle. Ο Θεός αγαπά τον ιόν. Do you know that word in the middle? Agapa means he loves. So, as you can see in this sentence, ο Θεός αγαπά τον ιόν means God loves the Son. Who loves? God. That's the subject. How is that indicated in the sentence? Not necessarily by the position. In this case, it just so happened that it is before, the subject is before the verb. Ο Θεός αγαπά τον ιόν. Okay? But the order does not matter. What really matters is the case. Nominative. Ton ion is the direct object. And in this case, this word is in the accusative. Okay? Let's reverse. Let's shuffle things in the sentence, which is okay to do in Greek. Okay? So, let's see what this phrase means. See, I try to trick you a little bit here. Ton ion αγαπά ο Θεός. What do you think this means? If you said the Son loves God, that is the wrong answer. Okay? Why? Because the true meaning of the sentence is God loves the Son. Okay? Why is it that God loves? Why is God the subject? Because ο Θεός is in the nominative case and tonion is in the accusative case. Okay? I hope this is pretty clear to you now. Okay? Now, let's truly reverse things and let's make the word ios the subject and ton theon the direct object. So notice that oios, which is the subject, will become the subject in the sentence, is in red, and ton theon, which is the direct object, is in red again in this table. ο Υιός αγαπά τον Θεόν. The Son loves God. Okay? So do you see the logic? Do you see the pattern? Do you see that here the word ο Υιός is the subject? Αγαπά τον Θεόν, and that is the direct object. Now, let's see if you really understand the concept. I will test you now. Τον Θεόν αγαπά ο Υιός. Who loves? Obviously, ο Υιός. The Son loves. Whom does the Son love? Τον Θεόν. Okay? That's the direct object. So this phrase actually means the Son loves God. Hopefully this is becoming clear to you, and the take-home message from this lesson so far is that the order does not matter in Greek. In English it does, but not in Greek. What really matters in Greek is the case of the noun. Okay? Let's move on. Here are two feminine nouns, η Maria and η κόρη. Nominative, η Maria. Genitive, tis Marias. Dative, ti Maria. Accusative, tin Marian. And then vocative, o Maria. Then κόρη, η κόρη, της κόρης, τη κόρη, την κόρην, ο κόρη. So let's see this syntax principle applied again to this set of words. Η Μαρία διδάσκει την κόρην. Διδάσκει means teaches, right? We had the word didaskalos before, right? That meant the teacher. The verb is didasko, I teach. Didaski means he or she teaches. In this case, Mary teaches the girl. Kori is girl or daughter. Η Μαρία διδάσκει την κόρην. Who teaches? Η Maria. Whom does Maria teach? The girl. Okay? Let's play with the order of the words in the sentence and see how the order does not matter. What really matters is the case. Την κόρην διδάσκει η Maria. Again, who teaches? Η Maria. See that Maria is at the end of the word, but it does not matter. All it matters is that it is η Maria in the nominative case. Whom does she teach? Την κόρην, the girl. That's in the accusative case. So here it is. Mary teaches the girl. Reversing now the use of the words, η κόρη is in the nominative case. Την Marian is in the accusative case. Η κόρη ακούει την Marian. Okay? The girl listens to Mary. Η κόρη ακούει την Marian. The subject is η κόρη, ακούει την Marian. Marian is a direct object. Now, what is Tin Marian Akui Ikori? What does this mean? Okay, if you have taken this lesson to heart, you know the answer. The girl, again, listens to Mary. Again, it's the same sentence, just the order is shuffled a little bit. This is the end of lesson 14. Χαίρετε.